Nathan Matthews for Storm.WNBA.com. Today I'm at the Potato Center to witness a game of H.O.R.S.E, matching Sue Bird, Storm's all-star point guard, considered one of the game's greatest, against Jim Moore, a local sports columnist for the Seattle Post-Intelligencer and long-time critic of women's basketball. At stake, a whole lot of pride, not to mention a $200 donation to the winners of Choice of Charity.
I just was a non-believer in women's hoop, and so I thought I'll become a believer if she can actually beat me in a game of H.O.R.S.E.
You know, my good friend Jim over there in the Washington State outfit, he asked if I wanted to play H.O.R.S.E. I know he's not a huge fan of the WNBA, so I looked at it as a good opportunity to have some fun, come out here, play him in H.O.R.S.E, hopefully beat him. Confidence level, I don't know, he's knocking him down. I'm serious.
Starting right now? Ready?
Now I'll probably start.
What's that? Is that O or R? Does that count? Right here, is this good?
Where's it going?
Oh, it's me? Yeah. I can hear it.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get that far. Why don't we just give it to the side to stuff?
I didn't even make one, did I? I didn't even force her to make one.
You did.
I didn't force her to make a single shot.
You are? Are you going to come do it again? You are?
Yeah.